lower primary. Today we will make our own mask. So grab the fabric that your mom and dad already prepared for you. I'm going to use this Hello Kitty fabric. Okay, so we will have 3 days to do this DIY face mask, and today I chose to measure my mask and cut it into the mask pattern. How about you guys? I chose to do the pattern today and then cut the fabric, and then tomorrow I will sew it, and then the next day I will just do some finishing work to my face mask. I chose to do it that way because today I will have some other stuff to do as well, like making videos and discussing activities. So, okay, how about you guys? What do you want to do first? So first, I will measure my face mask, and yeah, each one of us gonna have different size of face mask. Okay, so for my face mask, the length is 33 centimeters and the width is 17 centimeters. So I added extra 2 centimeters on each side because I need to sew it. Okay, so next I already cut my fabric and make my pattern. And then next I will cut my fabric according to the pattern. Ta-da! So my pattern for my face mask is done. Good luck for your activity today, lower primary. Thank you.